Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is matching or walking notes. Our topic is matching or walking notes. Crochet is called a matching or a walking note. Remember that it has one count. School marching songs is a good example of a crochet beat or note. Left, right, left, right. One, 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 one. One, two, one, two. This can also be called two beats in each bar. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.